Well, we proceed from where we had left in the first tutorial. So now we were just about to test our program, but before we do that, we need to realign. Let's realign so that instead of you being told that you are overweight and your BMI is this, let it be the other way around, where it says your BMI is and you are. I think that would be better. So we would say, let's pick from here. So this part here. So this part here would come at the beginning, where we are saying your BMI. Your BMI is. Then you can say and you are overweight. Yeah, we cut this one here, and then we also remove this bit here. We chop off this, chopping it off. We put it at the beginning. So here we are saying your BMI is that and you are underweight. You are underweight. Goes up. And you have normal weight. So these are the three conditions. We have the fourth one, where we have our BMI above 30. So let's just say anything above 30, whether you are 100, your BMI is 100, you are obese. So once we have these conditions, and the last condition is just a single one, we would just say else. Yeah, it ends with the word else. We are not going to have the if, just saying else. Then let's see with what will happen if we just enter and then we write a statement here that says printf your BMI is percent F, and then the base. Is that how you write obese? Obese. Should be obese. Something of that kind. Alright, so we need to quote this. And then we also need to supply the BMI here so that it is picked. As we refer to it here, we will pick it here, and then we terminate this statement. So let's try to run this program and see if it is going to run. Okay, let's enter some value. Let's imagine this guy has got 150 kgs and their height is 2.5. So there, if your height is 2.5 and you have 150 kgs, that is very normal. Your BMI is 24 and you have normal weight. So that is what is happening. Let's check again someone who has 100 kgs and their height is 1.5. Your BMI is 44 and you are obese. So this should say you are even dying. So what do? We need to reduce this decimal points to maybe 2. 2 is imaginable. So to do that, you'd come here, look at this %f, just before that %f, then you say 2.2F, like that. So that means 2 decimal points, 0.2F is 0.2F. So what is going to happen is that, sorry for that, it should be 0.2F. The moment your BMI is computed here, it is compared against this criterion that we have supplied, such that if it is below 18 or equal to 18.5, then the first statement is executed. If that is not the case, then the program checks if it has already passed this one, it is keeping in memory that it is not less than or equal to 18.5, so it must be above. So it goes to see the next level, how above is this above, and in this level, when it finds that it is not beyond 24.9, then it will just output this statement. Okay, if it is beyond this statement, it does not go back to check whether it is less than this. No, it goes directly to see the next level if it meets that, and if all these statements are false, then automatically the last statement here will be executed. Let's try to see whether the 0.2 is now working. Let's say you are 70 kgs and your height is around 1.62, and you can see your BMI is 26 and you are overweight. You can see this one now, it's enhanced. So that is how you enhance your points. If you want to enhance the points, that is how you enhance the points, by doing 0.2F. So basically that is how you develop a BMI calculator that has ability to make a decision. And for your work today, I want you to change the statements so that not just to change the statement, I want you to do some research on one, what should someone who has a BMI of less than 18.5 do, so that they can have the one which is acceptable, that is between 18.5 to 24.9, which is quite normal. What should this person do to have that normal BMI? Then what should someone who has a BMI of over 24.9 also do? Same to the someone who has got the one which is above 29.9. What should they do? And so you are going to modify this BMI into two things. One, to recommend to that patient what they need to do. If their BMI is normal, then the system should also be able to tell the person that your BMI is this and this is a good one, and of course you need to do this to maintain. Okay, using the if statement, that is. Number two of what I want you to do is that can you change from using the if statement to now using the switch statement to be able to develop a BMI calculator? And of course I would expect to see that work from you. I hope you enjoyed your session. Good.